Hello, today we will guide you through how to create payment link in QuickBooks. In this walkthrough, we'll use QuickBooks Online to generate a payment link by sharing an existing invoice so your customer can pay you quickly and securely. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into the correct company and that you have at least one invoice ready to share. This process doesn't change your invoice. It simply creates a shareable link your customer can open to pay. Start by going to QuickBooks in your browser and signing in. Once you're on the main dashboard, move your mouse to the left navigation panel. If you see an All Apps option or a small grid of 6 dots there, hover over it. This reveals navigation shortcuts and helps you get straight to the money tasks. From here, go to Sales and Get Paid. This is the area where QuickBooks organizes your invoices, payments, and related transactions. Next, open Sales Transactions. You'll see a list of your invoices and other sales documents along with their statuses, amounts, and due dates. Use the filters at the top if you need to narrow the list to find the right invoice. When you spot the one you want to share, click it so it's selected or highlighted. This just tells QuickBooks which invoice you're working with. With the invoice selected, choose Share Invoice Link. Depending on your view, this option may appear on the Row's Actions menu or in a side panel after you select the invoice. If QuickBooks opens a small prompt or a drawer with the same option again, click Share Invoice Link once more to proceed. This brings up the sharing panel where QuickBooks prepares the secure link for you. Now click Copy Link. QuickBooks copies the unique payment link to your clipboard so you can paste it anywhere: an email, a text message, a chat, or even your website. When your customer opens the link, they'll see the invoice details and the payment options you've enabled. If you use QuickBooks Payments, this typically includes card and bank transfer options. It's a good idea to quickly paste the link into a new browser tab to confirm it opens as expected. When you're finished, click Done to close the sharing panel. Your link is ready to send, and you can return to Sales Transactions anytime to monitor the invoice status as your customer views and pays it. That's all there is to it. Navigate to Sales, open your invoice, share the invoice link, copy it, and you're done.